Hi everyone. So in this project we are going to make a spy robot by using ESP32. So this robot can be used in defense purpose and the same robot can be installed for some different purpose also where human being cannot go or it's risky to go, and in the education field you can see the robot can attend the classes when the kid is at hospital or home or any other place. So now we are going to run this, and when we click this forward button, so you can see the robot is moving forward and the book is coming closer to it. And there is a light option, you can turn on the light and then you can turn off the light. So with these four buttons we can able to move the robot in different direction. Now you can see I am moving it in left direction and right direction, and then to see the object properly I can move back, I can turn on the light, turn off the light. Okay, so in this way I can make my robot move in any direction. So over here I will just turn on the robot and then you can see a red light on top of it. So after some time it gets connected to the internet, and then you can see this robot can move as I give the command on the web page. So you can see it's moving front and then it takes a turn. So in this way it moves and explore the things. So in this program, we just need to download the Arduino code which I have given below. So you can just download this code, and then the first thing you just need to change this Wi-Fi name and this Wi-Fi password. Once you are done with that, then you can just see these are your motor pins like 2, 13, 15, 14. So you can check, like for my circuit I have used 2 and 13, and for right I have used 15 and 14. So if you are uh, doing any other program you can just change this, and the LED pin is 4. So once you are done with this, everything is good to go. Now you can just go to your tools and you can select this board, ESP W rover module. Then these are the small settings you just need to see, and then select the correct port. Okay, once you select the port, then you can just click this upload button. So first it will be compiling, and once the compiling is done, then you can just press the reset button when it is writing uploading over here. This is the diagram for the programming. If you have any queries related to the programming, you can see my previous video. In that I have explained properly with all the detailed information for programming ESP32. This is how the wiring need to be done with the ESP, motor driver and motor and battery.